Kareena Kapoor Khan is holidaying in Europe with her husband Saif Ali Khan and their kids Taimur and Jay. Taking to her Instagram handle, the actress recently posted a bunch of snaps sharing a glimpse of their beach day. One of the snaps featured Bebo donning a red swimsuit under a stripped blue shirt, posing with Saif, who was wearing a blue shirt paired with a grey cap. While the other clip showed Taimur giving a funny expression. The Lal Singh Chadda actress posted a few solo snaps of herself shelling out beachy vibes as she enjoyed the sun and sea. Soon these pictures went viral on social media as fans rushed to the comment section to pen their reactions. One said, "They look gorgeous," while another one wrote, "Most attractive couple of Bollywood." While showering love on the actress, one fan commented, "The word gorgeous is worthless without you." Meanwhile, on the work front, Kareena and Saif are keeping busy with multiple projects. While the actress will next be seen in The Crew, co-starring Kriti Sanon, Diljit Dosanjh and Tabu, Saif, who last featured in Adipurush, is currently working on Devara alongside actors Junior NTR and Janhvi Kapoor. For more news and updates, stay tuned to ETimes.